And they see say some people don't come they talk and say, yes, so a good. A good as Izzy Ogbede they fight VeryDarkMan because she was a one-time Rattle supporter. Now they don't be, they say everybody don't be collect right now. But don't be able to not confess talk about be that. Now this is for this street like this, VeryDarkMan not gonna talk am. If you think say they easy, okay, that's the way he's making money. So what? If now like this, all of our content creators, when they create content, they make money, they help people. Nobody for the same government now. Nobody for the same government. Now understand, ba? But still, I'll say, first of all, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time when they hear me, where they're watching from. If it's the first time for this channel, it is what it is. Just make sure you like, subscribe, share, put your comment in the comment section. Now, Izzy Ogbede. As the royal man cho, let's see you don't come talk her own. In short, I go line up everybody in talk because everybody must support. You know, say when they do good thing, yes. Say some people are so obsessed. Say Rattle people, they not get sense. We like her like that. We like VeryDarkMan like that. You will get sense. According to what Blessing talk, that your husband, in the collect for Bakasio. Then this Edo, your fellow Edo babe, don't come advise you, make you know say, no by cho. You will be say, yeah, noodles full everywhere. Where the naki person. Now you can't get Abba now. Yeah, Nicodemus videos full everywhere. Now, instead of you to calm down, now the last video I will do about you, because I don't discover say you and D1, I just want to use VeryDarkMan cash cruise. Now the last videos what I will do about you be this, because I don't say the more you talk about this matter on Blue app, which is Facebook, the more you talk about them, the more you get engagement and the more you make money. And a VDM say they give you money, but you get mouth, they can't talk, they cap nonsense. If they cap no. My people, make one just watch the series of videos of people who don't talk, put mouth for this matter, make you know say VeryDarkMan not stand alone. Now, go disgrace yourself. Maybe VeryDarkMan will bring anybody down. You first to do, no they pain. Now second to do. They say easy legbegbe, body go legbegbe you now. Legbegbe, or salobwa, evwe.
You screenshotted my page and took it to your Telegram group. You asked your people to report my page. But someone in your group screenshotted it and sent it to me. They sent it to my email. And the person told me, please stop talking about Izzy and Blessing. Izzy have screenshotted your page and sent it to her Telegram group and asked her people to report you. I got it. I am so surprised that Izzy Ogbede could come on social media to cry out because her page was reported by VDM.
Wait, they only fan. You they think say you get husband. Babe.
Yeah?
Any man go they proud say they marry Olosho.
No, I don't think so. Except say maybe except because if to say a normal human being, I don't think say he go they proud. Except say maybe the man self they inside the same level with the girl. You understand? Maybe they be both Olosho. So now Olosho go feel understand Olosho. Or
VeryDarkMan, all you they say they fans you. I don't understand. When they fans me, I don't give them attention. That's problem. Who you they talk to any of VeryDarkMan? Are you not the one that came to my DM? VeryDarkMan fans you, who you be? What to be the size of your prick?
Do you guys know that Izzy Ogbede nyash today for internet, they for Google, and people are still paying to stream it? Do you guys know that one?
I always know say you get very bad character. That if anybody will challenge you, you have issues. You are very ungrateful. You are ungrateful. That Pino Vibe voice, I mean go complain. Wait till you talk about Pino Vibe regarding his page. I will come and play it. You are ungrateful boy as you see you so. You are a very yeye person. Very dark man. You liar, manipulator. Very dark man. You say I do multiple videos, they call you. Come VeryDarkMan. You be my fellow Toto prick seller. Should be they collect prick for Nyash. I be not they collect. Because you say you don't give it. You're supposed to understand how they work. Come VeryDarkMan. I only made one video or two. And I did not address you straight. Or VeryDarkMan, do this. If I do them, give me 3 video. You say multiple video. Give me 3 video where I call your name. VeryDarkMan, go and monetize your page or come to me. I will do it. VeryDarkMan, I know they delete any of my video.
VeryDarkMan, good evening. I just received notification from YouTube. They say you report my video. I go see VeryDarkMan. No, they do something like this. I mean, that person they use the YouTube. The thing funny me, Sha. Since I did YouTube, I think it's since 2019 or so. I have never received copyright claim. This is the first time your video, let's say I post your video on Neju or something like that. And I'm like, really dark, when I should say get time for that type of thing. You for tell me, Sha, just send me message. Say, please, where worry, you remove that video, I'll come out. Anything will go stress you or anything. I know they pull my hand, you understand me? You